Why is it necessary to talk to a traveler before presenting a brochure?
Please repeat.
Why is it necessary to talk to a traveler before presenting a brochure?
Because there are two or more vouchers. Provide essential is it depends of traveler interest and taste.
Wrong. When talking about the tour, why is it necessary for the traveler to get information about the traveler?
Because it is necessary that to find out the traveler interest and taste and needs.
Right. What do you need to ensure when you present a brochure to a traveler?
That your name, travel agency name and contact details are mentioned somewhere in the brochure or not.
What are the things that should be kept in mind when presenting the brochure to a traveler?
Please repeat.
What are the things that should be kept in mind when presenting a brochure to a traveler?
Sorry.
Wrong. Which option is less confusing for the traveler?
Limited option.
Right. Why is it necessary to highlight the main elements of the brochure with highlighter?
So that the traveler should review the voucher
Right.
after travel.
What should be kept in mind while showing brochure to a traveler?
Showing voucher. That the passenger should understand the key point of the vouchers.
Right. What should the traveler be encouraged related to the brochure?
That the traveler should read all aspects related to the vouchers.
Right. What are the areas that should be specifically included in the brochure?
What are included and excluded in the voucher? Cancellation policy and important rates, taxes and fares, and payment details.
Right. What is the need to remember about the meetings related to journey?
Please repeat.
What is the need to remember about the meetings related to a journey?
Creating a checklist for the topics which we have covered in your initial meeting and follow-up conversations.
Right. Creating a checklist of your inaugural meeting and for future encounters with a traveler. How will this help you?
To provide a proper price for the voucher.
Wrong. What are the things involved in the tour brochure checklist?
Voucher checklist. Cost, itinerary, pace, terminology, consumer protection and conditions and questions.
What are the cost related things which traveler should be aware of?
What are included and excluded in the price of the voucher.
Right. Why is it necessary to make the passenger aware of what is included in the price of the tour and what is excluded?
Because it affects the cost of the tour.